Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will teach you about how to apply Airalo discount code on Android. Make sure to watch all the way through to not miss a single step. If you're not familiar with Airalo, it is one of the eSIM provider out there to provide electronic SIM card service that can be used internationally. It is only require your phone to work and already have a lot of coverage in many countries. They stated they have 200 plus countries that are available in their coverage. This is very helpful, especially for those who travel a lot between countries. Like any other platform and service, in Airalo there is also a discount code or coupon code to redeem. I will show you via mobile apps for easier daily activities. If you already have Airalo account, go download the apps and log in with your account. From here, go to your profile, go to Air Money and Membership to look at your membership and can enter discount code here. Go here and copy-paste any available coupon code out there from any sources. Good luck with your discount. And that's it. Thank you for watching and good luck.